Thanks for joining us. In this video, we'll cover how to create an open lesson slot for multiple attendees. Students can log into the student portal to see and register for these events. First, navigate to the calendar from the main menu on the left. Click the Add Event button and select Add New Event, or click on the day of the event and select New Event. Set visibility to public so that this event is shown in the student portal. Select Allow students to register through the student portal and choose the number of attendees who can sign up for this event. Set your category, location, date, time, and duration of the event. If this is a recurring event, check off Repeat and customize how often this event repeats. Set a new price per student if applicable. You can add a public description or make a private note for yourself. Click Save. Now step back and admire your group event that students can now register for in the student portal. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please email us at support@mymusicstaff.com.